Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news, Kaseya has rolled out patches for VSA vulnerabilities, including the 0-day vulnerability that was successfully exploited in the recent Revil ransomware attack. Organizations should duly patch the flaws to prevent further espionage attacks. Meanwhile, threats in the form of a new malware and new attack techniques continue to wreak havoc on organizations and users. An undocumented Python-based backdoor called BioPass RAT is being used in a watering hole attack that targets online gaming companies in China. Attackers are selling information for more than 600 million LinkedIn profiles on a hacker forum. The samples include full names, email addresses, social media accounts, and other user data points. As always, we are hopeful that you are staying safe online, and if you need any assistance, please give us a call.